Best ways to eat chia seeds. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids as well as a source of protein, calcium, phosphorus, and a number of different antioxidants which may have heart-healthy, anti-aging, and anti-carcinogenic benefits. The fiber in chia seeds improve the digestive system, cure type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, hypertension, depression, and manages various health issues. Do you know what are the best ways to eat chia seeds? Since chia seeds are so versatile, there are endless ways you can include them in your diet. From trying a popular chia seed pudding to sprinkling them on salads or over cereal, yogurt, and even vegetables. You can even experiment with chia seed meatballs and chia seed breads and crackers. Chia seeds don't have much flavor on their own, so it's good when you add them with a number of dishes and can be added to things like bread batter, salads, soups, oatmeal, sauces, muffins and cakes, smoothies. They can even be used as an egg replacer in baking. Try mixing 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Let sit for 5 minutes and then add to your batter. A gel will form that can be used instead of eggs in baking. When chia seeds reach the stomach and come in contact with the digestive fluids, they become puffy and form a gel. This gel coats the stomach and acts as a barrier between carbohydrates and the enzymes in the stomach, where carbohydrates are broken down into sugar. There are more than one kind of chia seeds as black or white varieties, though their nutritional profile are same regardless of which color you go with. You can take 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds twice per day, which is up to 20 to 25 grams. Do not forget to soak it before eating. Drink a lot of water as well. How do you eat chia seeds? Tell us in the comment box below. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so you never miss any of our upcoming informative videos like this.